In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cloudflare Load Balancer and Spectrum to port forward stuff efficiently, all in just 5 minutes. So whether you're new to Cloudflare or you've been navigating it for a while, this guide is designed to be easy to follow with clear instructions to get you up and running quickly. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to Cloudflare's main website. This is where you'll find everything you need to connect, protect, and build seamlessly across the web. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is click on Log In. This is typically located at the top right of the page. If you don't have a Cloudflare account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, just enter your credentials and log right in. After you've logged into your dashboard, you'll find yourself at the Cloudflare account home. Here is where everything starts to come together. On the account homepage, you'll see a plethora of options. But for today's setup, we're going to focus specifically on load balancing. Click on this option to advance. Now that you're in the load balancing section, you'll want to look for the option to enable load balancing. This feature is critical because it helps distribute incoming application traffic across multiple instances, which in turn ensures reliability and performance. By activating this option, you're essentially setting up your network infrastructure to handle peaks and adjust dynamically, greatly enhancing the user experience. After enabling load balancing, it's essential to configure it according to your specific needs. This might involve setting the distribution of traffic across your server pool or establishing health checks to monitor and automatically reroute traffic in the event of a server failure. While these configurations are slightly more advanced than our current task, they're worth mentioning as they reinforce just how powerful and flexible Cloudflare's solution can be. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up Cloudflare Load Balancer and Spectrum to port forward your services. This setup not only enhances your website's performance, but also strengthens its resilience against traffic surges and server outages. Remember to always revisit your configurations and adjust them as necessary to align with your growing needs. I hope this guide has been helpful in demystifying the setup process, making it both intuitive and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to revisit this video or check out additional resources provided by Cloudflare. Thank you for joining me, and best of luck with your Cloudflare setup.